Hi, hello, my dears. Can you tell what is this? Ice. How do you feel when something is hot or cool? Do you know, children, how we understand when something is hot or cool and something is sweet or sour? What is the taste of this? Sour. What is the taste of biscuit? Sweet taste. Okay, when something is sweet or sour or bitter, okay, how do you know? How can? Yes, how can? It is our nervous system. Okay, and also which control our senses like seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting because of our nervous system. Okay, let me explain about nervous system. Today we are going to discuss about nervous system. Okay, by touching only we can say that it is cool. Okay, take one glass of lukewarm water and keep fingers. How do you feel? You feel something hot. By touching only we can say that either it is cool or hot because of our nervous system. Yes, it is our nervous system. Okay children, let me explain about nervous system. Are you ready to listen? Yes. Okay children, so today the name of the topic is nervous system. What is nervous system? The system that controls all other organ systems and organs of the body is called the nervous system. I come again. The system that controls and coordinates all other organ systems and organs of the body is called the nervous system. It is the superior system. Okay children. So what is the nervous system made up of? The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and thread-like structures are called nerves. Children, can you tell what is the nervous system made up of? The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, we will discuss about the brain. Before that, I will show the picture. Okay, see here. Okay, yes. So this is the nervous system diagram. See here, picture. Okay, see, this is the brain. This is the brain, this is the spinal cord and this is the nerves. Previous classes we learned about the backbone also children. Yes, backbone protects the spinal cord. Okay, skull protects the brain, rib cage protects the heart and lung and backbone protects the spinal cord. No? Yes, these three parts together and to form nervous system. Okay, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, form our nervous system. The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and a vast network of nerves. Okay, bundles of nerves are connected to spinal cord children. See, bundles, these are all the nerve, thread-like structures are called nerves. Bundles of nerves connected to spinal cord and also brain. Okay children, so the nervous system controls every movement of the body, the working of all the organs, the heartbeat, breathing, okay, and digestion of food and memory and speech and the overall functions of the body. So we are able to read. So you are able to write, read and think and memory. All these possible because of our nervous system. Okay children, so the nervous system is very important system in our body. It controls and coordinates of all other organ systems and organs of the body. It is very important systems of the body. Why? Because it contains the brain. Okay, without brain we can't do anything. We can't see, we can't hear, we can't smell, we can't smile. All these not possible without brain. Okay, brain works like a super computer. No children, why this system is very important? Because of the brain. Okay now, so brain is very important part of the nervous system. Okay, now we can see, we can hear, we can taste, we can smell because of the brain. Okay children, and nerves. See, these are all the thread-like structures are called nerves. Nerves carry the messages from the brain to all parts of the body to spinal cord. So the nerves carry messages from all parts of the body to the brain through spinal cord. These nerves carry the messages, okay, from all parts of the body, from the hands, from the legs, from the heart, from the stomach, from the intestine, and sent to brain through the spinal cord. Is it clear? These thread-like structures are called nerves. Nerves carry the messages from all parts of the body to brain through spinal cord. Brain does not function alone, children. Then it needs one assistant. What is that? Who is the assistant of brain? Yes, you are right. This is the spinal cord. So brain does not function alone. It needs one assistant. That assistant name is called spinal cord. Okay, children. Spinal cord acts like assistant of the brain. Okay, so brain has 3 parts, but you have to learn in 5th class. Brain had 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. That's why man is more intelligent than the other animals. Okay, so we are seeing, we are touching, we are here tasting, we are all these possible because of the brain. See here, all these areas present in the brain. See here, taste, touch, movement, okay, and speech, okay, and smell, okay, memory, and planning, attention, okay, all these vision, yes children, movement and coordination and heartbeat and breathing and emotions, all these possible because of the brain only. Okay, children. So the brain study the messages and decide what action needs to be taken and give instruction to the body systems through the spinal cord and nerves. For example, when we run very fast, your brain sends instructions to your circulatory system and breathing system to work fast. Is it clear? Okay, when we touch the heart vessel, we feel very heart, no, immediately withdraw your hand back, no children. So how do you know? Because of the brain. Okay, so by touching only we can say that either it is hot or cool. Okay, children. So nerves carry the messages to the brain. Brain give instructions to the arm muscle. Pull away your hand back. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, so nerves carry the messages from all parts of the body to brain through the spinal cord. Okay, now, and our sense organs also send messages to the brain through the nerves. What we see, what we hear, what we smell, what we taste. Okay, all these messages are sent to brain through the nerves. Is it clear, children? And now brain study and send instructions to all parts of the body through nerves and spinal cord. Is it clear? So brain has 3 parts. Don't confuse them. You have to learn many more points. Okay, next classes, children. But today you have to learn only few points about the nervous system. Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain, very important part of the body. Okay, it is responsible for thinking, learning, and solve problems. Okay, all these possible because of the brain. Okay, brain has 3 parts, no? Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain. That's why man is more intelligent, children, than the other animals. So we can yes, we can think, we can talk, we can yes, we store memory. All these possible because of the brain. Okay, children. And this is the cerebellum. It controls the maintenance of the balance of the body while cycling, while walking, and while running. Okay, children. So this is the cerebellum. Cerebellum controls the maintenance of the balance of the body while riding a bicycle, while running, while walking, while jogging. Okay, and this is the medulla. It controls the heartbeat and breathing, children. So these are very important part of our body. So brain is very important part of our body, children. Brain is protected by skull, no? Yes. Okay, spinal cord. Bundles of nerves connected to spinal cord, children. Okay, spinal cord acts like a assistant to the brain. Okay, so messages travel from the sense organs to the brain and from the brain to all parts of the body through the spinal cord. Is it clear? Messages travel from the sense organs to brain, from the brain to all parts of the body through spinal cord. And the thread-like structures are called nerves. Nerves are three types. Okay, you have to learn next classes. Nerves are three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves carry the messages, okay, from the sense organs to brain. Okay, and motor nerves carry orders from the brain to all parts of the body. And mixed nerves, mixed nerves do both functions. Okay, mixed nerves carry messages from the sense organs to brain and also carry orders from the brain to spinal cord to other parts of the body. But you have to learn all these next classes, but you have to learn what is the nervous system made up of. Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Okay, and brain, it is like a supercomputer. It is responsible for thinking, learning, okay, and thoughts, intelligence, speech. All these possible because of the brain. Okay, children. And spinal cord acts like assistant to the brain. Okay, spinal cord carry the messages. Spinal cord carry the messages. Okay. Okay, spinal cord, yes, carry the messages, travel the messages from the sense organs to brain, from the brain to all parts of the body through spinal cord only. Is it clear? Nerves also carry the messages from all parts of the body to brain, from the brain to all parts of the body through spinal cord. Okay, children, is it clear? So I am playing one video for you, children, for better understanding. Okay, nervous system is made up of, yes, brain, spinal cord and nerves.
The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of many nerves, which are spread throughout the body. Let's first understand the brain, its parts, and what they do. Our brain is the most complicated organ of our body. It has three major parts: the cerebellum, cerebrum, and brainstem, which is also known as the medulla. The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. It controls our senses, our imagination, and our thoughts. So, whatever we see, touch, taste, smell, think, or imagine is controlled by the cerebrum. The second major part is the cerebellum. It is known as the little brain. It controls our motion, balance, and our ability to learn new things. For example, you can walk without falling because of the cerebellum. Also, it helps with learning any new thing. The third major part is the medulla. It is also known as the brain stem. It does a few things, which are called involuntary actions. It controls our digestion, heartbeat, and breathing. These things happen automatically in our body. We don't have to put any effort here. So now you know about the brain. Can you remember it all? Good. The cerebrum is in charge of sensing, thinking, and imagination. Wow, you're right. The cerebellum is also responsible for muscle movement and control, and it also helps us in learning. Great. You're right about the medulla also. It is running our body from the inside. Now, do you want to learn about the peripheral nervous system? The peripheral nervous system is made up of many nerves, which are present throughout the body. The peripheral nervous system has two functions. Some nerves receive information, like when you taste something. These messages are carried to the brain by these nerves. The nerves which take the message from senses to the brain are called sensory nerves. Other nerves carry messages from the brain to the body. These are called motor nerves. They carry instructions from the brain to the body on what action to take. Like, for example, if you were eating chili, which the brain told you was bitter. So now you're doing a spitting action. All nerves are made up of neurons. A neuron has three major parts: a nucleus, which is the cell body, dendrites, and the axon. Dendrites take in the electric messages. Brain is important? Good. Take the message away from.
So children, yes, you have to store what we learned today's class in your brain. Okay children? Yes, once recall what did I teach you day before yesterday? Will you recall? What did I teach you day before yesterday? About skeletal system and muscular system and also circulatory system. Circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. What are the three components present in the circulatory system? Blood, heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay. So how can yes, it is possible because of the nervous system. So nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. We store what we learn. We store in our brain, that is called memory. Okay children, you have to watch this video one more time. Okay, if you feel very difficult to understand, you have to watch this video one more time children. Don't confuse children. Let us revise. What is nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, the system that controls all other organ systems and organs is of the body is called the nervous system. Okay, mainly nervous system consists of brain. No children, it is very important part of our body. What is the shape of brain? Walnut shape. Walnut shape. Okay children, and it has mainly three parts, no? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. That's why man is more intelligent than the other animal. We can solve many problems. We can solve many puzzles. We can thinking, learning. Okay, and we can do anything because of the brain. Okay, children. And brain needs one assistant, that is called spinal cord. Okay, nerves also carry the messages from all parts of the body to brain through spinal cord. Okay, children. Nerves also three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. But you have to learn in 5th class. Okay, but it is very easy to understand children. Okay, so the system that controls and coordinates of all organs and organ systems of the body is called the nervous system. Okay children, what we learned today, okay, what we learned today and what we learned yesterday and day before yesterday, all these information you store in your brain. Okay, once recall, okay, after watching this video, once recall all the things and store in the brain. Okay children, whenever we need, we recall that information. Okay children, bye, take care, have a good day.